How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Slow Cooking Sunday. In today's episode, what we're going to be making is apple and cranberry pork chops. So over here we've got everything that we're going to need. So I've got 4 loin pork steaks, because I can get pork chops, but they're just as good. 3 sweet potatoes already peeled, I just need to thinly slice them. Then cranberry sauce, apple sauce, honey, salt and pepper. I think this is going to be really nice and really sweet. So let's get on with it. Okay, so what we have to do just to start things off is heat up a frying pan with a bit of oil in. Take the steaks, which I have already seasoned now with salt and pepper, and we're just going to fry them off until they're lightly browned on each side. There we go. Like so. There we go. So we're just going to leave them frying away for a few minutes on each side. So whilst those are cooking, on a low temperature is what you want the slow cooker, we're going to add into the base of the slow cooker the 3 tablespoons of apple sauce. 1, 2, 3. And then we want to put in the sweet potato slices. So I'm going to squash it all down a little bit as well, make sure it's really arranged nicely. There we go. This is sweet potatoes are really weird to work with because they are so nice, but they're so difficult as well. Like they're a hard potato to cut through, no matter how sharp your knife is. I have actually cut myself whilst doing this today. So now that that's done, the sweet potatoes are in there. It's 2 tablespoons of honey. So we've got to drizzle that over. Again, this is going to be a difficult-ish one, because, well, honey's very thick. There we go. 1-ish. And then number 2. There we go. Awesome. And then it's going to be the pork chops on top of all this. Okay, so here come the pork chops. Ouch, which are sticking at me currently. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lovely. Right, so then once they're in, you want to season it again with some salt and pepper. And then the last one is the cranberry. So we want 3 tablespoons of that, which obviously I'm just going to get in, and then I'm going to just move it around a little bit as well. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to cover it, keeping it on the low setting and cooking it for 7 to 9 hours. So I will see you in then. Okay, so it has been on now for 8 hours. So let's check it. Okay, so that on top is the cranberry, which is actually still spreadable. Obviously it's just, well, it's going to be a bit drier. There's a really nice, like, sauce to it. So that's going to get smeared on. So, the potato is absolutely soft as anything. Lovely to chop through. Now the pork, this is what we really want to know. That's snapped straight in half and is cooked. Well, then I'm trying to stab it. There we go. To perfection. The glare's not doing it much good. There we go. So absolutely cooked to perfection by the looks of things. Yeah, it's completely white. There's no pink. So knock that back in. There we go. We've got it on keep warm. And we're gonna, well, what we are doing is putting some peas on to have with it. So yeah, this should be really, really nice. Okay, so it is all done now and served up with a bit of extra apple sauce and some peas. It smells really good, so I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so as you saw earlier, it just breaks off really easily. I'm trying to hold it up in a way you can see it. If I can get it to focus, try and move away myself. Yeah, you can see it though. So, it smells fantastic. It's like the apple sauce and the cranberry sauce are just soaks into it so well. I think that's like the main thing with this is it's getting everything soak into it over those 8 hours that it will cook in. Mmm. Mmm. Now that's so good. It's so moist and sweet. Oh wow. That with the pork anyway, I want a bit of the potato. Oh wow. Mm. So obviously the honey was put over the top of it. And oh my god, they're so sweet, so good. That's so nice. So nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with how that's turned out, to be honest. So I cannot recommend trying to make that enough. It's in fact I say trying. It's so simple. There's no trying in it. It's so effortless. You know, you just got to fry off the pork a little bit, and that's it. And then everything else, just stick it all layered up in the slow cooker, and off you go. You go do your day. You do what you got to do. Obviously, I just served it with peas, but you don't even have to have it with that if you don't want to. That's just me trying to be a bit healthier. But yeah, 100% get it made. It's really quite cheap to make as well if you buy the ingredients from the right shops and that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a like if you did. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Obviously, it all helps me. Likes and comments getting recommended to more people. And of course, if you're not already, drop me a subscribe. And hopefully, see you in the next one. Bye bye.